Oh, hi everyone, welcome back. Just a bit of a gameplay video for Pi-Dentity from the Team Moritz people. You can hear the great music from Rich Hollins. It really is good, as usual. He does some cracking tunes. I've got to be honest from the beginning, it's a brutal game. I've tried, I've practiced, I've got hints and tips. The only thing I haven't got is infinite lives, and that would be very, defeat the object of playing the game. So it's kind of, I'll play it as much as I can on level 1. You'll get a gist of the gameplay, the what's what with the game, the graphics for level 1. You'll hear the music, but yeah, it's proving a bit of a struggle. But anyway, let's. If I just press fire, so we can select keyboard or Sinclair, do keyboard. So yeah, it's Pi-Dentity, it's a 48K version, made by Sebastian Braunert, Andy Green and Uwe Geiken. The graphics are by Andy Green and Lobo, and the music's by Rich Hollins. Nice colourful intro. So the bottom it says dare you enter, and I'm like, yeah, okay, I'll have a go, see what happens. Right, okay, so let's enter and have a look. So it's a shoot 'em up, going through a surrealist area of mathematics. So it's all to do with maths. You see numbers, pi obviously comes up. So you can see the pi there to refresh your bullets. I do like the graphics, they're pretty good. They could be doing with a bit more colour in them, but that might be a limitation of the game engine. So let's just concentrate a bit. So yeah, it's a case of shooting certain things and dodging the others. But you'll see there's like abacuses. Just pick that pi up. You see with 3.14, start of the pi, the number pi, abacuses, geometrical shapes, a couple of people there that look really sad because they're stuck in this weird place. And you'll see, look there, Archimedes, look at him driving along in his bath. Eureka! But yeah, okay, let's concentrate now. Okay, so that you'll see that got that far the first time, or the first gameplay bit now. So it was done by Jonathan Caldwell's shoot 'em up designer engine. Right, here we go. Oh, got to preserve my pi energy. Oh, see. Can't talk and play at the same time. How crazy is that? Get squished. There's definitely a knack to this game, and I've obviously seen videos of other people playing it. But I think you need to practice it quite a lot, at least you do if you're at my standard of game playing. Those flipping triangular 3D things, what are they doing? Getting in my way. Let's try and squeeze down the side, that might work. But yeah, I like the surrealness of it. Like I say, graphics could be a bit more colourful. Sounds top notch. But incredibly difficult, which is good because it means there won't be any playthrough videos, eh? You know? Not for a while anyway. Right. Maybe because it's to do with maths and, I don't know, mathematics, maybe I have to have a drink beforehand, because a lot of those professors, they were quite tipplified, weren't they? They had a few tipples. Oh, you git. Oh, the hare and the tortoise there. That's good. I like that. Okay, one more go. One more go. And let's see what happens. Deep breaths. Pi. Seven up got me because the 7 was going up. Zeros and out. Right, I can probably dodge these ones. Oh, I missed the Pi. Do like my Pi. Oh, poor Pi, I'm not really helping him, am I? So yeah, you need to learn the attack patterns to get anywhere in this game. Oh, I've just landed on that big egg thing. Right, let's dodge this. Shame you can't shoot the scenery as well. But maybe that would make it too easy. Now, it'll be interesting to see what other people think. Is it that I'm rubbish at playing these games? Is it incredibly difficult? Have I lost my touch? Although I was never very good to start with. There's the hare. Right, infinity signs give you invulnerability for a while. So that's good. Let's do that again. Get that. Get Archimedes in his bath, that bloke running. Oh, that's the hare and the tortoise. And now it's 42, brilliant, yeah. Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, that's a number that everybody knows. Right, let's shoot this man with the beard. Oh, forgot about that. Oh, okay, that's it. Oh, so close, getting off level 1. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned, there'll be more coming soon. Definitely download it, you can get it off the Fusion Retro book site, and see how you get on with it. Alright, thanks for watching, see you next time, like and subscribe if you want, and hope you're doing okay with lockdown. Alright, see you then, bye.